Dropshipping is a type of order fulfillment where online store owners don't need to manage their inventory. Third-party suppliers or wholesalers send products directly to customers once a sale is made. Dropshoppers, in the meantime, take care of marketing to attract shoppers. In today's video, we are going to talk about why everyone is fascinated by Shopify dropshipping. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Whether dropshipping is your side hustle or you want to go all in, you can always turn a dropshipping business into a full-time job that pays all of your bills. Plus, it gives you a chance to venture into the world of e-commerce and become your own boss. By selling products that relate to your passion or interest, you can also fulfill your lifelong dream of earning money from a job that relates to your hobby. Dropshipping is definitely worth it. But keep in mind that to make it all work, you need to treat dropshipping as a proper online business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, make sure your suppliers are trustworthy before you get into business with them. Otherwise, you may only run into problems if your suppliers illegally use someone else's intellectual property. Essentially, dropshippers act as marketing managers. Their main task is to create a great-looking, trustworthy online store and attract interested customers. Shopify is a subscription-based software that lets anyone create an online store with just a few easy steps. It's used by more than 1 million businesses worldwide and has earned itself the reputation of the most popular e-commerce platform out there. Shopify is liked by many because it's much more than just a tool to create a dropshipping store. It also offers an extensive ecosystem of apps and services, both free and paid, that can help you manage your dropshipping business from A to Z. In fact, Shopify massively contributed to the rise of dropshipping in general. With Shopify, dropshippers get a variety of benefits such as hosted online stores, multiple templates, access to Shopify App Store with thousands of apps for marketing your store. Apart from them, users also receive integrated payment processing and powerful checkout system with 24/7 customer support and Shopify shipping. As per calculations on average, you'll need around $288 to start your dropshipping business. Whether you'll be using Shopify or any other e-commerce platform to create your dropshipping store, the first thing to do is think about what you'll be selling. For that, you need to choose your dropshipping niche and define your target audience. Then, work on your branding. Create your store's name and logo. Work on your positioning. Set up your Shopify account and start adding products. Launch your store and start advertising your products. Two of the most common approaches for dropshipping on Shopify are to seek out a supplier located in North America or anywhere else in the world, using supplier databases, or to seek out a Shopify app that connects you and your store to thousands of suppliers. For the latter, Overload is recommended, which is a marketplace developed by Shopify that helps independent business owners find products to sell. With Overload, you can browse AliExpress and import the products that pique your interest directly to Overload, which is connected to your Shopify store, with the click of a button. Once a customer buys a product, you'll be able to fulfill their order in the Overload app. Fortunately, Overload automates this process. As the store owner, all you have to do is check that the details are correct and click the Order button. The product is then sent directly from the AliExpress supplier to the customer, wherever in the world they may be. Dropshipping is a great business model for aspiring entrepreneurs to start with because it's accessible. With dropshipping, you can quickly test different business ideas with limited downside, which lets you learn a lot about how to choose and market in-demand products. Probably the biggest advantage to dropshipping is that it's possible to launch an e-commerce store without having to invest thousands of dollars in inventory up front. Traditionally, retailers have had to tie up huge amounts of capital purchasing inventory. Running an e-commerce business is much easier when you don't have to deal with physical products. With dropshipping, you don't have to worry about anything ranging from managing or paying for a warehouse or packing and shipping your orders to tracking inventory for accounting reasons, because you don't have to deal with purchasing inventory or managing a warehouse. Your overhead expenses are quite low. In fact, many successful dropshipping stores are run as home-based businesses requiring little more than a laptop and a few recurring expenses to operate. Dropshipping business can be run from just about anywhere with an internet connection. As long as you can communicate with suppliers and customers easily, you can run and manage your business. Since you don't have to pre-purchase the items you sell, you can offer an array of trending products to your potential customers. If suppliers stock an item, you can list it for sale on your online store at no additional cost. With a traditional retail business, if you receive 3 times the number of orders, you'll usually need to do 3 times as much work. By leveraging dropshipping suppliers, most of the work to process additional orders will be borne by the suppliers, allowing you to expand with fewer growing pains and less incremental work. Sales growth will always bring additional work, especially related to customer support, but businesses that utilize dropshipping scale particularly well relative to traditional e-commerce businesses. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.